Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to assign staff work zones in Planet Zoo. Assigning staff to specific work zones is an efficient way to manage your zoo, especially when there are certain areas that require more attention from your staff. For example, let's say there's a high concentration of litter around the restrooms in my zoo. In that case, we can create a work zone around the area and assign a caretaker to keep it clean. To create a work zone, click on the Zoo button in the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Zoo overview. From there, select Staff, represented by the person wearing a hat, then open the Work Zones tab. Here, you'll see your existing work zones, along with a list of staff members who currently aren't assigned to one. To create a new work zone, click New Work Zone in the bottom right corner of the window. This will bring up the work zone heat map. Areas shown in red aren't assigned to the work zone, while facilities and areas you select will turn green. Click on the facilities or areas you want your staff member to cover. For this example, we'll select the public restrooms. Once you're done, give the work zone a name using the panel on the right. Since we're covering the restrooms, let's call it restrooms or toilets, then press Enter. Once that's finished, press X to return to the work zones window. You'll now see your newly created work zone in the list. Now it's time to assign a staff member to it. Scroll down to the staff list and find a caretaker. Click on the No Work Zone drop-down next to them and select the work zone you just created. They'll immediately be assigned to that area. You can also assign work zones directly from the Staff tab. This can be quicker when you want to manage several employees at once, since you can sort your staff by their roles and quickly assign them to existing work zones or create new ones. Work zones are especially useful for keeping your zoo organized, as they prevent staff from wandering too far away from the areas they're supposed to manage. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.